Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Very good. Welcome. And you are appearing for scale 3 to 4 interview. And
That's right.
yeah, good. How many years have you put in service in scale 3?
I got promoted in 2017,
Acha,
so almost
चार बरस हो
four
गया.
plus years completed.
4 years over. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So during these 4 years, what are the um, you can't you need not tell me the name of the branch. Tell the cities in which you have worked.
I have during the last 4 years, I have worked in Chennai only. On promotion, I got transferred to Chennai.
Oh, so you are here only in Chennai. Out of these 4 years, how
Yeah,
many years you have been a branch manager or say credit desk officer or something like that?
so this is my first tenure as branch head, branch manager.
Very
Before
good.
that, I had a different cadre. I was in specialist cadre,
Mhm.
and I took conversion from specialist cadre to generalist cadre last November 2020.
Acha, acha, acha.
After that, I was
Only
posted to
November 2020, you took conversion from your IT officer or IT manager to
marketing.
mark. Acha, you were in marketing.
Marketing.
Oh,
Yeah.
you were in marketing, but your background says you are a IT man and all. Is it not?
No, 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 sir.
Oh, but
I am
you,
from marketing cadre only.
acha, you studied mathematics BA, and then
Yes, sir.
you this Tata Tele Services. What is that industrial 2 months visible viability of Tata
Yes,
products? What is that?
that I had done my internship in Tata Teleservices, sir.
Mhm.
Mandatory internship during my MBA. I've done my MBA in marketing and finance.
Yeah.
At that time, I have joined Tata Teleservices as a relationship manager.
Now I think I should ask you some of your success experiences as a marketing person. Tell me.
As a marketing person, I've been to different states. In Chennai, also I've done, and in Delhi also I have done.
Mm.
So Delhi, I was posted in retail hub.
Mm.
So during that time, 2012, I had joined bank. At that time, there was boom in property, this approved projects, and also we had done a good number of housing loans there from the approved builder nearby Delhi NCR. So total around about 60 to 70 we had done in one financial year.
Talking about boom in construction and all, I am reminded of a
Yes,
negative thing. Now, Supreme Court has
correct.
recently asked demolition of two buildings. Are you aware of that?
Mhm.
Somewhere in, I'm not sure, is it Ghaziabad or Noida? Some big
No, it is in Greater Noida Extension Eco Village.
yeah,
Super Tech. It is Super Tech
super
builder.
tech, correct. It has been asked to be demolished. Can you tell me the background of the story of that?
So background actually, as per the approved plan, there was park, and they have built two illegal towers. So the residents complained, and due to that, Noida authority has given um, this instruction to demolish the buildings. So
Acha.
that is,
So
I'm
that
not
was a
very
place
sure because right now I'm.
that was a place where park should have been there. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How
Yes,
can
sir.
they construct such a huge building? Are Baba.
That
And come se come minimum 14, 15 floors must have been there in that.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I
No
think
doubt.
that is to be
So Thabhi
demolished.
fir ab usko.
Yeah. And
Correct.
how our people are so very dull headed to buy a property from a park, and bank managers have been colluding with those guys in giving loans to those people. Correct?
Um, sir,
No, no, no.
as per the
As a marketing man, you may not agree with me because you want to push the sales, but you will agree for giving
no, no,
loan.
no, sir.
No.
No, sir. We have to look for the bank interest also. First, more priority is bank interest. And during the project approval, first we for any under construction project, all this legal valuation and all the vetting and everything has to be done. Then only we can finance. So
But
I
इसमें
don't know because we have not done like.
अच्छा you are not aware of Bank of India giving
Any
loans to them? No, na?
No, that I am not very sure. I have not come across any loan where we have funded in that tower.
Yeah.
For ours is for the approval, whatever the competent authority has given, they will be specifically mentioning the approval. Like for one project, I know they have made 22nd floor, but as for Bank of India approval, it was 21st floor. So above that, we didn't finance.
Mm-hmm. अच्छा 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 ठीक है. Anyhow, thank you. So you were a successful marketing person. On a scale of 0 to 10, how much percentage? How many marks will you give for you as a marketing person?
I'll give myself 8 points, and because there is always scope of improvement. So, and marketing is so vast. So, and there is every day there is a learning.
So
you
what is
meet
the
new people, you learn new
what is the
things.
reason for shifting over to operations?
Sir, I thought that shifting in operation, I'll be more interested. I'll be more connected to the customer, because in marketing, what we do, we'll just meet the customer and we'll lead. We will just take the lead and then refer to the branch, and after that the interaction become less. But I thought that since my this liaison is very good with the customers, if I become a generalist and we can do good, we can make good rapport with the customer even after this, what you call, after the lead is generated, processing, disbursement, post disbursement. So all the things in terms of marketing, I'm telling that I always used to think that there is an added advantage if I would have been a general banking officer. Because only thing, sometimes I think that if I would have been there, I would have expedited the thing. So this same thing I'm doing here, and we are very results have shown we have done above 150 vehicle loans during this financial years, and housing loan also good number we have done.
In this branch as a manager, how many housing loans have you given?
Sir, I have given 13 housing loans.
Good.
Till now.
Very good. How many car loans have you given?
Car loans we have done 166 till now.
No.
12 crores.
Even yourself as a manager?
Yes, only me.
Acha. The car loans and all power comes within your discretionary powers, or should you refer to higher authorities?
Sir, for Bank of India, the delegation is as per the scale. Up to scale 3 branch manager, it is 10 lakhs. Above that, it has to go to a dedicated retail hub for till 20 lakhs.
So, but nowadays, car finance people, how many lakhs do they ask for?
It depends, sir. I mean, they mostly since ours, the USP for Bank of India, there is no prepayment, part payment charges. So even if you take today, you can pay tomorrow. So they will be asking the maximum funding which we can do, because then they will be having the comfort. Whenever they have some.
No, but my question is, out of the 150 loans given, how many of them were under your discretion? How many were probably? Yeah.
It is somewhere around 120 or 130 will be in my power.
Very good, very good, very good. That's really good. Yes, how do you go about taking documentation and all? It's a very big process where you have to take a. Do you follow the rules of taking a duplicate key for the cars with you? No.
No, sir, that we are not.
I think some other bank also उन्होंने बोला है हमको, वो लोग का बैंक में ये प्रोसीजर नहीं है. बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा में भी ये प्रोसीजर नहीं है, लेकिन हमारा इंडियन बैंक में वो नहीं. तो we are supposed to collect the duplicate key from the party, retain it with us. And do you see that hypothecation is entered in the RC book?
Yes, sir, we insure, sir. We insure because we are giving Form 20. Actually, the good part is we are only funding to those vehicles which are already having tie-up with dealers, which are already having tie-up with us. So,
that's true.
whosoever dealer, we are directly transferring their account, and they will be sharing us the Form 20, and we will be signing it. And once the RC comes, we'll take the copy, we'll see the original, take a copy, and our bank charge will be there.
And in fact, in some banks, they have a procedure that ask the party to bring the car, ask him to stand before that and take a photograph, something like that. ऐसा भी करते हैं आप लोग?
Yes, post sanction we are doing.
Mm-hmm.
So we have I have a credit officer also. I think me or she
is the
will
photo
be
taken with your officer or without your officer?
with our officer.
Acha. Good. That's a sort of proof, you know.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Now, very good, very good. Now that you have come to operations in November 2020, you have spent 1.5 years. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Now,
Correct, sir.
what makes you think that you deserve to be posted as a scale 4 manager, chief manager? And in Bank of India, what is the cadre of regional manager, scale 4 or scale 5?
Sir, it is scale 6, zonal head.
Oh, Baba. Zonal head, uska niche?
Deputy zonal manager.
No, पहले तो in our bank we used to have regions and 5 regions come under one zone. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है?
नहीं, ours is zone comes under national banking group. Total 59 zones are there, and for 59 zones we have 10 national banking group and then head office.
ओहो. Then इसका मतलब ये है zonal head का नीचे branch. You will be interacting with zonal office
yes,
directly.
Sir.
Zonal office directly.
Yes, sir.
Exactly.
Yes, sir,
So this time, this is a good system. Now, how many staff members are there in the branch where you are working now?
So, including me, we are 9 staff. Total 3 officers, 5 clerical, and 1 sub staff.
Yeah. Again, let me get back to my previous question. What makes you think that you deserve promotion?
Sir,
here you have to speak good about your. Here we have to speak good about ourselves. Though no, normally we don't appreciate our talking good about ourselves. In terms of interviews, you have to market your skills. You are a marketing man, you know. So अपने का आप सेल करना है. आप अपने को मार्केट कर लीजिए.
Okay, sir. Sir, I think that I am energetic and very confident about my performance, and my performance during this tenure as first time as branch manager, we have achieved our target of March for total advances and total deposit and total retail also. And this could only happen due to our efforts and our customer services, which speaks that during our services we have got a very good reference from the customers, and we were also able to generate various businesses from our existing customers, which through gold loan and account opening and all. So I believe that we have made a turnaround for this branch. We were at only 23 crores in advances. Now we are standing at 43 crores, sir.
Good.
During my tenure.
Very good. Excellent. Now, out of this 43 crore, how much will be NPA percentage wise?
Sir, NPA, right? When I joined, the NPA was 2.14 crore. Now the NPA is still 1.94 crores.
Oh, it is retained in the same place. Okay, it has come down.
Not a single new.
Oh, new accounts are not made into NPA. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Not a single new account in retail which we have done has slipped to NPA. Only 1 or 2 accounts also due to demise of the customer has turned NPA.
Why could not that 1.9? Why could not that 1.94 be recovered? Is it consisting of a few accounts or more number of accounts?
Sir, totally we have 23 accounts and which are NPA. Out of that, 3 accounts of one single customer, that to housing loan, comprise of 1.59 lakhs, 1.59 crores.
So then why did you not take step for SARFAESI Act?
Sir, it is already we have taken step, and it is the case has gone to DRT, and we have already taken symbolic possession. We will be very soon taking physical possession.
Bring the property for sale.
We have transferred this.
Yeah, the property will be brought to sale soon.
actually the 2 times of e-auction was done, but property couldn't get good bidders.
So where is the
satisfactory
property
bidders
situated?
till now.
Where is the property situated?
It is near to our branch only. 3
ओह,
flats are there.
अच्छा अच्छा उस जगह में इतना दाम का फ्लैट्स चलता है और होता है सो
हाँ सर, three flats हैं, तो अभी भी we are financing, तो it is like that only. A 2 BHK will cost around 45 to 60 lakh. तो
ओहो
इतना ही
पर स्क्वायर फीट कितना जाता है
cost
अभी?
है, और बड़ा
पर स्क्वायर फीट कितना
Sorry?
जाता है?
per square feet आपका 5500 to 6000 square feet होगा, depending on the construction and builder.
6,000 अच्छा 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 in fact we had a flat in Govindasamy Nagar near Madipakam.
Okay.
You are aware of
अच्छा,
that Govindasamy Nagar?
हाँ, नहीं, गोविंद स्वामी नगर के बारे में तो मैं जानता नहीं हूँ, बट मणिपाकम भी पूरा रेजिडेंशियल एरिया है.
I know it's
residential.
full of residential area, that is true. Good.
Yes,
You
sir,
also
yes.
stay in Madipakam?
No, I stay at Perumbakam, near to that.
Perumbakam, yeah ठीक है, not so far away. Good, excellent.
Yes.
That's right. Now you said about why you should be given promotion and how you deserve it and all. That's right. Now how do you motivate your staff members?
Sir, I always encourage my staff members. So whatever work they do, I never shy them from telling, encourage them, and tell them that you have done a good job. And I always make them learn new things. So I don't. It is not like that. I don't make their work monotonous. So I have what I'm doing. I'm shifting my staff from deposit to credit. So everyone is learning everything, and they are very eager to learn. And if appreciation is there, I'm regularly doing staff meeting, and whenever some good things are done, I am encouraging my staff, so that way they feel very good, and they tell me that, sir, whenever you tell us that you are doing good work, we feel good. So like that only I am encouraging my team, and it is showing results also. Like my team previously in credit, we were having only one clerical staff who was overburdened. Now I have at least 3 clerical who are pakka, who can do the work, who can do the processing also for the initial stage, and they are very fast and very good learner, and they are doing very good job.
Achha. In your branch, the proposals are submitted online or through proper documents, that is hard copy documents?
Sir, proposals nowadays, if vehicle loan, the turnaround time would be less than 1 day.
Achha.
Sometimes we are doing in another 4 hours, 5 hours. So first, what do we do? The dealer will be sharing us the soft copies. We will be taking printout and everything. We will be preparing the set, and while going to the inspection, we will verify it from the original and take customer self-attestation on that.
Excellent. That's really good. That saves a lot of time also. Yeah.
No doubt, sir.
So you told about motivation. How do you motivate yourselves?
Sir, if the results are there, your zonal authorities and happy, and they are encouraging us, that is our motivation. Like for our branch, during the September quarter, we got certificate for appreciation for doing retail business, and during the December quarter, we got certificate of excellence, a trophy for doing for overall business performance. So all these things, doing good business, and other thing is doing good business, and that too the business is not turning into bad.
Good.
All these things are motivating us.
Very good.
That is how we are getting motivated, and we are confident about our performance and about our cases.
Yeah. Now, you were previously working in North India, correct?
Yes, sir.
From there, you have come to South India, and how do you find your stay here? Would you like to go back to North India or West India, something like that? Which is your preference?
So preference-wise, obviously, I would like to go to near to my house, but work-wise, I am very happy working here. The work culture for North South both are different, and here also it is very good. and staffs are very dedicated, and customer base is also very good. The part of Chennai where I'm staying, we are having a good IT people. So most of the customer would be having very pakka documents and everything would be fine. So on that front, we are very confident.
No, instead
So,
what you can say is, listen. Instead, what you can answer this question is, I don't mind continuing here. However, if the bank wants me to relocate, I am willing to relocate. Because, this is the age when you should be away from your native place. I did the mistake of coming back in my earlier years, and that was, I used to feel bad about it.
Maybe I'm thinking that the interviewer is asking me after seeing that I have already completed 5 years in South India.
True. 5 years. So after 5 years, you are certainly to be disturbed to Bengaluru or Trivandrum. To karega. Mostly it depends on how it goes. Sometimes they may retain you in your own place also, same place.
Yes,
so whatever it is,
yes,
and this in your real interview, I'm sure you will not be having confidence enough to speak that the culture from north and south is different. ये तो controversial topic है.
Okay. Correct.
Yeah, I know. You have to be there. 100% you are right. You are praising South. But if you do have some North Indian guys sitting there, and he may not like himself to be told that their people don't do it seriously. समझ गया?
Okay.
Yeah, I know. That is because I have had experience in New Delhi as well as in West Bengal. Both the places. Yeah, that's right. Good. Now, can you tell me some of the measures that the government has brought now, which are beneficial for banking?
Firstly, that emergency credit guarantee line scheme for the MSME, which government has given. They have infused 20 lakh crores. And others for the small hawkers, they have given the PM Swanidhi. And we are doing Mudra loans, we are doing, and Stand Up India, we are doing. So all these schemes are very good schemes in context to MSME, due to which we are able to cater to various customers.
Good. So what about your branch performance in respect of priority sector?
Priority sector, sir, we are doing a priority sector. We have achieved our 40%. It is for bank, but ours also it is achieved.
Acha? Oh, very good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your car loans and all come under priority or not?
Car loan doesn't come under priority, sir.
Acha. Do you have some brief idea about what are priority sector advances?
Yes, priority sector advances means housing loan would be there. Whatever we are doing for boosting the economy will come under priority sector.
No, housing loan, not all housing loan comes under priority.
Up to 35 lakh.
Yeah. And then under the education loan, how much is now covered under
yes, sir.
Priority sector?
Up to 10 lakh.
No, up to 20 lakhs. Now it is 20 lakhs.
Up to
20.
Okay.
Now it is up to 20. And there are latest things. Thoda dekh lijiye. And some more things about, say, infrastructure loan and all. The amounts are all so big. 5 crore and all they are telling. उसका बारे में details जानते हैं आप? नहीं, पढ़ा नहीं?
किसका बारे में सर?
That is about other sectors like, say, infrastructure, MSME, small loans. ये सब का details आपको जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा because it is not there in your branch. आपका ब्रांच में एग्रीकल्चर एडवांस नहीं होगा ना? होगा?
नहीं सर,
नहीं. So प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर में आपको मेजॉरिटी लोन क्या है?
प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर में सर जो हमने आई थिंक MSME किया है, मेजॉरिटी तो वही है.
ओहो, MSME sectors. Good. That is right. Very good.
ताकि हाउसिंग लोन जो भी है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो हाउसिंग लोन का टिकट साइज जो है पहले का जितना भी है वो सारा इतना ही है, 20-30 यहाँ पे भी जो मैंने किया है टिकट, however I have done 13 हाउसिंग लोन, but the ticket size is less only.
Oh, less only. Good, good,
जो भी हमने अचीव किया है वो व्हीकल लोन से ही किया है. And I think vehicle loan doesn't come under that.
Vehicle loan will not come under that. Very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you are answering everything correctly. Absolutely no problem, and you are answering with confidence also. थोड़ा आपका marketing करना पड़ेगा about your own skills. Like
Okay,
you should talk good about yourself, and
okay, I will prepare. Yes,
yeah, you and regarding priority sector थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए. And now,
right, sir.
in your branch, are you following positive pay system?
Yes, we are following positive pay systems,
Ah.
and we are getting all the customers also. If it is because we are getting a notification every morning from via mail for PPS. So if any customer name is coming, they have to submit the requisition form. So while taking the requisition form, we are educating the customer. Next time you have to either do it online or physically you have to come to the branch and submit the PPS.
So what is the amount you are insisting now? 2 lakhs or 50,000?
Ours is 50,000. However, it is normally it should be 5 lakh and above, but we are still following 50,000 and above.
50,000 and above. Good, 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 good. Positive pay system.
Yes,
Acha, in your branch, do you have PPF accounts?
yes, sir. We have PPF accounts.
Acha. Do you have senior citizen deposit scheme
Yes.
of the government?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
I think
sir.
more people will be having deposits there. Under that, Madipakam
Yes,
being
sir.
having a retired people, you'll have more of senior
Correct,
citizens.
absolutely, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Every day I'll be having query for SCSS and PPF, and then now that floating this saving bond is there, RBI. So all those things, because they are getting good interest and they are ready to put for 5 to 7 years. So the time is not an issue for
What
them.
is the performance of
very
your
good.
branch in regard to Sukanya Samriddhi scheme?
Sukanya Samriddhi scheme, sir, we have opened some 9 accounts during
Only.
this financial year. And so we are educating the customers also. Whenever I'm meeting, I will be discussing
Because
with the
that is one area
potential
where they
customer.
can get 7.6% interest.
7.6%. It is a very good scheme. 7.6%, and then for till 21 years you can keep it. Only for 15 years you need to deposit, and even withdrawal option is there during some specific term and conditions. So it is a very good scheme. So whatever customer I feel has potential, or I'll just ask them, and if they are having girl child, we will be pitching that also.
Excellent, excellent. Good. You are answering this question also nicely. Last question for you. What is your knowledge regarding SGB?
The sovereign gold bond is RBI is issuing sovereign gold bond, and every individual during a year can take maximum up to 4 kgs of sovereign gold bond. So it will be not in physical form; it will be electronic form. So of gold. And
what is the interest rate paid on this?
Option. Interest rate is 2.5% paid semi-annually, half-yearly.
Excellent, excellent. You told this nicely. And again, one more last question for you. What are electoral bonds, and do you issue electoral bonds?
No, sir.
What
no,
are
sir.
electoral
SBI
bonds?
Issue electoral bonds.
Tell me something about
Only
electoral
SBI
bonds.
Sir, electoral bonds is it is concerned with politics. Like suppose only SBI is issuing electoral bond. So a customer who is willing to make donation, previously they used to pay cash. So now government has given a clear-cut instruction that you cannot purchase. You cannot do cash transaction for giving donation to political party. So now they have to go to purchase electoral bond from SBI. They will be giving you a receipt. That receipt you have to give to the political party. And there is also terms and condition that only within 15 days, the political party has to redeem that. They cannot keep it with them and during the election use it. So this is the entire fund concept of
Good.
electoral bonds.
That is correct. And the denomination is 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 1 crore. That's
There
what.
is no limit, sir.
Yeah. No. It is in denomination of 1,000,
Yes, sir.
10,000,
Yes, sir.
1 lakh, 10 lakh,
1 lakh.
then 1 crore. That's how it is. Anyhow, you have answered almost all my questions. And should I ask some tough questions so that you cannot answer? Eh?
Sir.
Can you tell me the name of bank that has been?
Sorry.
Can you tell me the name of the bank that has been advised not to transact? Some cooperative bank. Recently, a Reserve Bank has advised this cooperative bank to stop functioning.
Cooperative bank.
Nagpur based India Cooperative Bank.
Okay.
Nagpur based India Cooperative Bank. This comes under current affairs. Of course, they will not ask you this.
Okay.
फिर भी अब जानने से बढ़िया है.
Correct, sir.
Good.
Right, sir.
How about you are getting an opportunity to serve in abroad? Do you have branches abroad, our country?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have good number of branches.
But
there is a saying in Bank of India that sun never sets. Bank of India.
Oh, very good. But you seem to have not qualified for JIB, CIB and all. Why?
No, sir, GIB I have qualified, but CIB I couldn't qualify. But now I'm sure that I'm picking pace and now learning in the branch also. So previously, sometimes I was not clearing it, but now after this, what you call this knowledge which I'm gaining, practical knowledge which I'm gaining in my branch, it will help me, and I'm very certain that next whenever it is there, I'll be clearing, sir.
Okay.
CIB.
Good. So you'll be clearing CIB also, and possible try to equip yourself under one, say credit management or risk management, something like that. Thoda pad lijiye, it will help you a lot.
Right.
Best wishes. You have done interview very well. I will give you 9 out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes. My only request to you is after the interview, please sit down in a place, write down the questions in WordPad or Word document and send them to me so that I can use it for next bank interviews. You have done very well. Thank you.
Sir. Right, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes. Bye.
Thank you, sir.